Today we talk about how can you disable your messages notifications on your SweetMeet app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. So then you just click here on application settings, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on push notifications. Then you come to next step here. You come here to your messages, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.